What's going on, YouTube? RC Pilot Will here again. Got the free wing F-15 here, and I'm just doing a little test flight on this. So had a problem with my motor. The terminal in on the motor side, it broke free. I guess it just melted the solder. I don't know. Either way it goes, it wasn't making a connection. So was able to clip it off, and strip the insulation back, and clean up the wires, get all that coating off of the wires, off of the strands, and put a new end on it. And now I'm gonna see and make sure everything's good. And I did ground test it. It sounded good on the ground test, but of course, will it fly? So I'm recording this for two reasons. One, in case something interesting happens, and two, you know, it's a successful flight. All right, let's do it. Got an SMC 5300 milliamp hour pack in here. So yeah, we're gonna take it right on up. It's either gonna take off or it's gonna cream that curb down there. One or the other. Let's get some flaps.
Flap 10.
Alright, here we go.
Assistant off.
Turn off all the gyro and everything. Take off. What's up?
Pack 20.5 volts.
That SMC must be worn out.
1 minute. Flaps retracted.
Alright. So we got it up. About half throttle. She's flying. Bring it down low again. Half throttle. Oh yeah, she's flying.
Flight pack 20.65 volts.
That flight pack's not liking a full throttle push. Bring it around one more time and I'm gonna bring it in.
Gear extended.
Throw the gear out.
Alright. 3 minutes, 21.78 volts. Flap 10. Flap 23. Air brake deployed.
Try to land it close to me so you see it coming in. Alright guys, let's get it back down there. And we got us another pack in here. HRB 5000. One of my better packs. So
24.45 volts.
we shouldn't have any problems with it wanting to take off without running down into that 20 volt range. The SMC I got, it's pretty old, so it's probably tired. Alright, there we go guys, taking off. Much better.
Flaps retracted.
Plenty of power too. Flying with that
1 minute, 22.5 volts.
oh yeah, and that was over half throttle.
AS3X.
Let's cut an AS3X on. We got a little bit of wind up there. Trying to make sure I got my head pointed at the plane so you guys can see it. Inverted flight, something I don't do much with this.
22.35 volts.
I don't know why. Let's see if we can invert it low. Got a little wonky just now, didn't I? That was not smooth. A little bit of power in that turn. Got a bogey in my sky over there. Don't worry, people. I don't hurt the animals. I just hope they don't hurt me.
21.73 volts.
.73, so probably get another go around on it. Nice. That AS3X is working up there. Looks nice in that cloud. Check voltage.
21.42 volts.
Yep, let's go ahead and cut it round, cut it short.
4 minutes, 20 year extended. 21.14 volts.
Alright.
Flap 10. Flap 23. Air brake deployed.
That was nice. Give it a little roll out.
21.94 volts.
Man, I gotta say, I really like this F-15. I just won't let this thing die for some reason.
21.44 volts.
This thing's been crashed, put back together. Motor blew out on it, fixed it. Well, the wire burnt out, fixed it. And, all right, so here we are, back at it. And like I said, I just won't let this thing die for some reason, man. I really like this plane. It's got a lot of cool features. I like the air brake feature. Of course, you see I did a cheater in the top. It helps out. I noticed the difference. I noticed the difference with that cheater in the top. The plane is a heavy plane for what it is. It's a heavy EDF jet for what it is. For a single 90 mil, you would expect that kind of weight out of something like a twin 80, but I mean a twin 80, let's be honest, it is heavier, but it's got more power. So, but overall, man, the F-15 by Freewing is a really nice jet. Now, do I think they need to remake this thing? Yes, and I think they should make it a twin 70. That's just in my opinion, along with a couple of other people I've spoke with opinion. I think they should bring this thing back in a twin 70 if they decide to do a version 2 of it. It may cost a little more, but I mean, people paid $700 for a SU-27. I'll pay $700 for a twin 70 F-15. As long as it gives me that fun and joy, you know? But guys, it was nice. I'm gonna have to close this out here. RC Pilot Will signing off.
What?